we're about to replace this busted airbag with one we found in the junkyard this morning. Just gotta unplug it here. Using the proper tool for the job. There we go. Old busted one is off. And here's the replacement. Alright, we got it a little cleaner before we go put this airbag back in. Wipe the dust off basically. Now, basically all that holds it in is 2 screws. After you reattach the wires. There's wire number 1 and 2. Set her in place, and there's 2 screws that go in the back. I don't know if I'll be able to show you because it's kind of behind the wheel there. We just installed our own little, almost like a bomb. Now it's all better.